Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is SDLC, Software Development Lifecycle. SDLC is a systematic process which involves various stages of development from requirement gathering to deliver the product. SDLC process divided into various stages as follows: requirement gathering phase, analysis phase, design phase, development phase, testing phase, deployment and maintenance phase. Let's see how it works. Meet our client, he got a business idea and money. Our product owner meet client, discuss about terms and condition and sign a deal. Here we enter into the first phase of SDLC, requirement gathering phase. Group of senior members and business analysts will attend a meeting with client to collect business requirements and documents business requirement specification and same to be shared with development team. Now we have entered into analysis phase. In analysis phase, project manager, business analyst, and senior managers in team discuss about product requirements like system requirements such as programming language, database servers, reporting tools, etc. Outcome of this phase is software requirement specification. In short, we call it as SRS. Now we came to design phase. In design phase, technical architect or designer will document functional requirements, how each and every component works. Outcome of this phase is functional requirement specification. In short, we call as FRS. Now we came to development phase. In this phase, we start building the product. Development team will write the code and perform unit testing and code analysis within the team. Outcome of this phase is source code development and developed product. Now we enter into testing phase. In this phase, developed product will be given to QA team. QA team will perform testing of the product with reference to functional requirements and business requirements. Outcome of this phase is bug-free product and QA sign-off document presented with test artifacts. Now we have entered into the final phase, deployment and maintenance phase. In this phase, deployment of the product will be done in live. Once end user or customers start using the product, real-time issues will rise. Those will be fixed in maintenance phase as per SLA, service level agreement. Hence, we have completed the multiple stages of SDLC. But to implement SDLC, there are different models to be followed as below: waterfall model, V-shaped model, iterative model, spiral model, Big Bang model, and very popular Agile model. What model to follow is purely based on business factors. Now we are concluding the session. Thank you. Thank you very much, guys.